Guys, there are big things happening on the charts and in the news. We are right now having a death cross on the dollar index. What does that mean? I'm also going to show you this chart. This shows us what has been happening previously, and this is actually repeating right now. So what does this mean for the crypto markets? I'm going to show you the latest when it comes to news. Mt. Gox are going to start to repay customers. So more Bitcoin are going to enter circulation. You are having right now the lowest volatility ever for Bitcoin. And the last time this happened, what did the Bitcoin price do thereafter? We have a lot of stuff to talk about today, guys. I'm also going to tell you the latest when it comes to digital currency group and what's been going on there. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it. So first on the charts here, you can see that we're right now trying to break above this red line. This is actually on the bodies of the candles. This is actually broken up, and we have this as support. So this is one way to look at it, but also, of course, we do have the top levels here. So the wick of this one, the wick of this one, and in that case, this is the resistance. So both of these are valid, guys. So make sure to pay attention to that. This is on the daily time frame. So if we can break through this level, then a pump up to $18,000 is definitely in the cards here. Also for traditional markets, we did see by the end of yesterday, we did see a big green candle here. And on the dollar index, just like I showed you, we do have a death cross. The death cross is when the 50-day moving average crosses the 200-day moving average. And you can also have a golden cross, depending on if they cross from the up or to the downside. Now, this is actually, I did find this article saying the dollar death cross is bullish for Bitcoin. And I've been looking through this, and the death cross for the dollar index, yes, sometimes when we've had a death cross on the dollar index, you've had significant pumps for Bitcoin. In general, 359%, but also sometimes you have had a significant drop. So it's a little bit hit and miss, but on average, it seems like 359% after that death cross. So I guess that is one bullish sign, but I just wanted to point that out, that this is actually, it has already happened. So yeah, this is something we need to pay attention to. Now, before I talk about this crazy chart, guys, best crypto offers in the description, special OKX deal, 15% lifetime discount when trading on OKX, and also $40,000 in bonuses if you use the link at the top of the description. Let's look at this trading shot chart. So this is Bitcoin during 2021, 22, and 23. So this is where we are at right now. This is 2014, 15, 16. So what you can see back here, 14, 15, 16, is that you had a downward sloping trend line. We continue to go down here. You did have a series of higher lows on the RSI. MACD was decreasing, flattening right here, just like we saw here in 2021, 2022. So we did have this trend line going down. You had a similar kind of structure on the RSI. You do have these big swings here. You do have a series of higher lows on the RSI, while this is actually mainly flat, the Bitcoin price. Also decreasing rate on the MACD, flattening right here. Breaking through this is key, breaking through it right here. And we saw this also in 2014 and 15. We broke through this, and we went sideways for quite a bit after we broke through it. We've gone sideways for quite a bit here as well. But then eventually we went up to the 50-week moving average, which was this blue line, got rejected, continued to go sideways. And then when we finally broke it, we did see some significant upside. So this is suggesting that we could go up to the 50-week moving average here. It's currently at $26,000. Go up, get rejected potentially, and then on the second try, have massive pumps to the upside. So this is one fractal I'm paying attention to right now. Let me know, do you think that this is going to repeat in a similar fashion? Well, many of these indicators are definitely looking very similar right now, this year, to what you saw here in 2014, 15, 16. Now, let's look at some of the news. So Mt. Gox repayments are pushed back by 2 months. Now, Mt. Gox are going to start distributing Bitcoin to the creditors, but they are at least going to delay that by 2 months. Now, for me personally, I would rather have this done with and over with already. Distribute the Bitcoin, let it hit the market, let the market do whatever it does. But this kind of looming danger, this has been since 2015, guys. People have been scared of this. So just to get it out of the way, let the Bitcoin price do whatever it is going to do. Then we got this out of our way at least. So the sooner, the better for me at least. Now, the volatility for Bitcoin is very interesting because you are now having the lowest volatility for Bitcoin pretty much ever. We've been at this level a couple of times previously. But if you look at the previous times we've been at this specific level, we have pretty much been at a flattening and either at the bottom or we are having a massive pump after that. So you can see the volatility right here. We saw it right here, and this was August 2020, went up after that. Here as well, went up after that. Here, we did see a drop here, but then straight after that, we did see a big pump as well. Now these ones, big pump, this one as well, big pump. So basically every one of these in the past, out of all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times it has happened previously, we've always had a pump apart from this single one right here. So 9 out of 10 we've had massive pumps, and this one we did see a drop, and then we did see a big pump. So even this one you would have been profitable if you bought at this low volatility. Guys, Bitcoin is boring for people. The people who are looking for quick money, the people who do not have patience, they've already left. The people who are left right now are the people who are long-term investors, in my opinion. So this is why the volatility is going down, because there's not that much trading going on. There's just not that much interest going on. But this is when you want to pay attention. This is when you want to be accumulating Bitcoin. And also the number of Bitcoin addresses holding over 10 plus Bitcoin has reached a 2-year high. So this reinforces that thesis that the people who are right now still in crypto accumulating Bitcoin for the long term. So we have a new all-time high for people who are holding more than 10 Bitcoin. And also on the macroeconomic situation, we are seeing the economy slow down. So this is what the Fed want to see. They want to see the economy slow down. We had the job market not doing too well. So the Fed are seeing weakness in the job market, in the economy overall. This is what this is what the Fed wants to see in order to start stimulating the economy eventually again. So yeah, that is also not looking too bad right now. The economy is looking bad, yes, but ironically, that is what the Fed wants to see in order to not crash the markets anymore, if that makes sense. The crypto empire, Digital Currency Group, also faces US investigation over internal transfers. So how much of the funds have been commingled between Digital Currency Group, throwing Grayscale there as well, but Genesis Trading definitely. So we will see. They are right now under investigation. We will see what comes out of this. So guys, that's what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.